Hello, and welcome to Rainmaster's series of training videos for Laguna software. In this introduction to Laguna video, we will review the menu system of Laguna, show how to update the software, and explore the powerful and flexible irrigation management system that is Laguna. The Rainmaster Laguna Central Control System software is an innovative irrigation water management tool that allows you to easily manage irrigation in the most challenging water management environments. With its intuitive graphical user interface, it is quick and easy to set your system up and start irrigating with the most efficient software and hardware available today. For most of your irrigation needs, the icon above the map can be used for quick access, but all features of the software can be accessed via the command bar. The Central System menu is where options for scheduled events, maintenance, and Laguna's Advanced AIM and Advanced ET can be found. Scheduled events allows the user to set times for when specific events will occur. For example, pulling the latest ET data will occur at 9 p.m. The database backup will occur every night at 2 in the morning. Other events that can be scheduled include polling for alarms, automatic recalculate, and more. This form can also be accessed by the Toolbar Scheduled Events icon. The maintenance command has two commands, backup and restore, which allows the user to backup and restore Laguna databases. The Laguna database stores such information as program operation schedules, controller log events, and much more, so Rainmaster highly recommends regularly backing up this database. The communication test commands allow the user to test communications between the central and the various controllers in the field. Lastly, the options command allows the user to configure flow meters, edit plant and soil types, enable advanced features of Laguna, set up Cloud Connect authentication, as well as set how often Laguna should check for updates, customize interface colors, and more. The controller menu allows the user to configure and issue commands to the controllers in the field. The programming form allows the user to set up irrigation programs with program names, start times, water days, what stations are triggered by the program, and more options. This form can also be accessed by the Toolbar controller icon. The current limits and flow limits forms allow the user to set current and flow limits for all stations, specifying at what measured value the alarm will trigger. The Multiple Learn Scheduler, Global Programming, and Global Water Days Adjustment forms allow settings and commands to be issued to multiple controllers in one action. The Synchronize Time and Synchronize Controller commands allow the users to synchronize controller setup settings such as program settings, current limits, flow limits, as well as sync the central software and controller time, date, and name. Weather station commands and features can be found in the Weather menu. The Weather Shutdown command allows the user to send a rain shutdown or a wind shutdown command to all or specific controllers or to all weather stations. Weather stations can also be configured to shut down automatically in the event of wind or rain. This form can also be accessed by the Toolbar Rain Shutdown icon. The Weather Calendar displays a graphic representation of what the daily ET is from the weather source as well as the rainfall totals. The ET Settings command displays ET and rainfall history information and allows the user to set reference ET, such as the hottest month of the year, based on the given zip code. The Weather View command displays the weather conditions at connected weather stations, showing ET, rain, wind, temperature, and more. The Reports menu contains detailed irrigation reports and system status messages. The Reports Generator command allows the user to access the reports form where one can generate, save, and export reports on irrigation programs that have executed, water use, system alarms, weather, and more. This form can also be accessed by the Toolbar Reports icon. The Activity Log command displays system status and past completed events. The Moisture Sensor Monitor displays temperature and moisture data if the appropriate sensors are connected. The Alarms menu allows the user to review and clear the alarms generated by the central system, controllers, and weather stations. The Manual Operations menu allows the user to manually trigger certain events such as stations, programs, alarm polls, and more. For an in-depth look on manual operations, please refer to the Manual Operations video on the YouTube Rainmaster channel. In brief, use this menu to activate programs and stations for a specific runtime and to monitor current and flow. The controller polling and weather poll commands allow the user to manually poll for controller alarms and weather data from one or all controllers or weather stations. The program download command allows the user to manually download programs from the central to the selected controllers. The program upload command and the statistics upload command allows the user to manually upload programs and statistics from the controllers to the central. The weekly ET command allows the user to view ET data for the past week. The blue panel command allows the user to remotely operate DX2 controllers and view important information on DX3 controllers from the central computer. The Setup menu allows us to add or modify irrigation controllers, weather stations, and communication types like cellular or base radio to Laguna. Additionally, this is where users can create and edit additional user profiles and their settings. For full details on the Setup menu, please refer to our various videos in the Laguna playlist on the Rainmaster YouTube channel. The Map menu allows the user to plot and find the location of irrigation equipment, as well as adjust map viewing options. The Help menu allows the user to view various helpful information about Laguna, such as the online help system, version and contact information, and retrieve updates. The Contents command displays the Laguna online help content. The Updates command allows the user to check for and download the latest version of Laguna. If an update is available, select Yes when prompted to run the update. The About command displays the Laguna version as well as Rainmaster contact information. We have already mentioned the Laguna toolbar icons except for two. The Map icon toggles the mode of the displayed map between a vector view and satellite view. The Current Alarms links allows the user to quickly review alarm logs for the central, controllers, and weather stations. That concludes our introduction to Laguna video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the Rainmaster YouTube channel so you can be kept up to date with all future video releases for Laguna software.